Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one pays very well and does offer some flexibility in the hours, so we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. The company Ride Health is trying to remove transportation barriers that keep the most vulnerable patients from being able to access health care. So, Ride Health partners with different healthcare organizations and then different transportation providers to make sure that they have a network that they can get patients to and from doctor's appointments. They are hiring a contact center ride success agent. Now, this is fully remote within the United States only, but they are looking for agents to handle inbound calls from passengers, transportation providers, and clients to assist with scheduling the transportation needs for the passengers and manage clients. Transportation provider assistance calls. You'll also have to make some outbound calls to passengers, manage the client contacts. You may have to monitor the chat and response and also monitor the ticket queues and response. Now, for the chat and ticket queues, it looks like they do use Zendesk. And it does also state hours are flexible and may include full-time and part-time opportunities. So if you're not looking for a full-time job, you still may want to apply to see if they have any part-time opportunities. Now, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They want someone who can use standard business tools like Microsoft Office or Google-based tools, someone who has good attention to detail, excellent written and spoken communication skills, and someone who has a sense of humor and a positive attitude. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $16 to $18 an hour and plus a big benefit package, including the standard paid time off, medical, dental, vision. But then they also offer things like Talkspace, Healthy Advocate, One Medical, Kind Body, all kinds of things you need to keep yourself healthy and happy. They offer a 401k plan with 4% fully invested employer match. And after 6 months of employment, you get fully paid parental leave if you're looking to expand your family. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.